Hello everyone, welcome today on Friday. Yes, almost weekend Friday, June the 18th, 2021. We have here only two regular Sudokus. Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. So we have a hard level and an easy level. And I have no good news for today because there's today no extra Sudokus. Let me show you. No extra Sudokus. Let me. The following page. Show you the following page. Show you the following page. No, it's not here. Today on Friday we have no extra Sudokus. So what shall I do? Shall I continue with the other Sudokus on Thursday? Yeah, let me continue with the extra puzzles on Thursday. So I will, after I've made those two puzzles, the regular ones, I will continue with the additional of Thursday. Alright. But first, we will solve these two babies. And those two, the first one is a light Sudoku. Sudoku with Sudoku Light, easy level. This will be number 2965. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, each big square has 4 printed digits. And I have 9 big squares. So 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. It's an easy level. So let's get started. Sudoku Light. Alright. Let me see, which number shall I pick? A lot of threes. Let me see. 3. Yes, let me start with a 3. 3, 3, 3. Yes, 3, 3. Yes. In this column, we have a 3 here. 3 in the middle column. So the column next. The only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last row. 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. We have a 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so in that column. The only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright. How about the number 1 in this first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. You see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. You see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used, I can see. Digit number 2 and number 1. Alright. Then the following number. How about the number? Let me see. Can I do something with the 7, yeah. The 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7 in this row, so no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Alright. How about the number? Let me see. Let me see. 6. Yeah. How about the number? Let me do the 2. Can you do something with the 2? Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. We have a 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third row. 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place, 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. Oh no! I've already used the 3. Alright. How about the 4 in this row? 4 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. 1 box left in this column. For the number 6, 2 numbers left in this big square. For the number 6 and 8, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this first row. For the number 6, 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 6, alright. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. One number left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Yes, 8 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and then 9 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 9 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. One box left in the middle column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 9 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Two numbers left, the final two numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. You see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku Light. An easy level, yes. 36 printed digits. So I think that this one, everyone can make this. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last regular Sudoku, a heavy Sudoku. Hard level. We will see if this is a heavy Sudoku. We will see. So see you later. Bye bye for now.